close DJ and close BLVMT. If LSDJ glows again within 15 seconds, it indicates Operation O tripping. In case of Operation O tripping, keep BLVMT switch in closed position. Put HVRH, HVMT1 and HVMT2 on position 3. Close DJ and wait for 15 seconds. If DJ trips, put back the switches HVRH, HVMT1 and HVMT2 on position 1. Wedge Q118 in energize condition. Close DJ, close BLVMT and clear block section by frequently observing the working of blowers MVRH, MVMT1 and MVMT2. If DJ holds on putting switches on 3. Check the working of blowers. If all the blowers are working, clear the block section by observing the working of all blowers on run. On arrival at station, put back the switches HVRH, HVMT1 and HVMT2 one by one to position 1. Close DJ, close BLVMT. If DJ trips on putting any switch on position 1, maintain that switch on position 3. Put all other switches on position 1. Resume traction. Observe the working of the blower whose switch kept on position 3. If DJ holds and on checking found MVRH not working, loco provided with HC105. Put HVRH on 0 and HC105 on 0. Clear block section not exceeding current 500 amperes. On arrival at station, request for assistance. If DJ holds and on checking found MVRH not working, loco not provided with HC105. Put HVRH on 0. Wedge Q118 close DJ. Follow current rating starting 920 amperes for 10 minutes and continuous 500 amperes. On arrival at station, request for assistance. If DJ holds and on checking found MVMT1 not working, put HVMT1, HVSL1 and HVSI1 on 0. Block 1 is isolated. Take safety measures. Wedge contactor C106. Manually operate Q118 and close DJ. Put HC105 on 0 if provided. If load permits, resume traction. If load does not permit, contact LC. If DJ holds and on checking found MVMT2 not working, put HVMT2, HVSL2 and HVSI2 on 0. Block 2 is isolated. Put HC105 on 0 if provided. If load permits, resume traction. If load does not permit, contact LC.